today we're gonna go to Tepanya since it's my husband's birthday. Love, favorite mo ba sa Tepanya? Really?
Yes.
What's your first thing na kakainan sa Tepanya when we get there?
Salmon sashimi.
Yeah. Kasi sa Tepanya meron kang mga different packages na pwede mong i-avail. And yung premium package nila, only yung sashimi. So, it's kind of pricey. Like, di ba pricey na sa Tepanya? But if you will upgrade to the premium one, mas mahal pa siya. Aldagan pa siya na. Magkano yung premium, love?
1.7.
I think it's 1.9.
Hindi, 1.6 pa na. Pag lunch.
Ah, yeah, pag lunch. So, we'll see later. I'll show you the menu kung ano yung mga packages available for Tepanya. So, when you go there, you know what you'll get. Actually, plan talaga namin originally ni Terence that we will spend his birthday sa Hong Kong. Tama ba, love? Hong Kong. Yeah, Hong Kong talaga yung plan namin. Kaso, naisip namin, hindi kasi maganda yung weather ngayon sa Hong Kong. It's raining. Tapos naisip namin, since puro outdoors yung activity doon, especially the Hong Kong Disneyland, parang impractical for us to spend like a 5K or 6K ticket to Disneyland nang hindi naman namin ma-enjoy kasi nga umuulan. And we've seen yung mga vlogs ng mga nagpunta doon lately or recently, talagang umuulan. So parang hindi siya sulit. So ayun, hindi kami nag-decide ng Hong Kong. Plus, ayun nga, nung nandun naman sa Peak Tram, diba, syempre, yung view doon, the view is the one na pinupuntahan talaga ng mga tao, is, tawag dito, hindi mo rin siya makita, kasi very foggy. Kaya parang naisip na, ano ba yan, parang, kung pupunta kami ng Hong Kong, we wanted to, of course, ma-utilize lahat ng mga places that Hong Kong has to offer. Pero kung ganun nga na hindi maganda yung weather, diba? Kaya mura ang pamasahe ngayon. Nagtingin kami ng tickets eh. Mura talaga yung pamasahe sa Hong Kong. It's because ang pangit nga ng weather. Siyempre, konti yung pupunta. Para maraming pumunta, mura yung ticket. So, yun. Pero ito lang guys, I forgot my tripod. So, I'm not sure if I'll be able to film everything later sa Tepanya. And it's kinda hassle kasi to eat ng, alam mo yun, nag-vlog. So, but I'll do my best to record everything na i-order namin, or you'll see the ambience para naman ma-feel nyo na kasama namin kayo sa Tepanya. Celebrating with my husband's birthday! He's very excited. Di lang halata. It looks like that. It's just like that all the time. It's nonchalant. Ito pa nga guys, hay nako, ito pa yung isa pang issue, I mean concern ko, kasi my husband just had his surgery sa wisdom tooth nung Monday, and today is Thursday, diba, no love? Thursday ngayon, and so alam mo yun, parang sabi ko sa kanya, sure ka ba love na you will avail, you will pay this much money to eat sa Tepanya, pero yung left niyang bagang is, ayun, nag-undergone sa surgery recently lang. Kaya parang nagdadalawang isip ako kung masusulit niya ba yun. Pero, he said na okay naman daw siya, hindi naman daw nagdudugo. So, sabi niya laban daw talaga sa Tepanya. Kasi, syempre, birthday niya, siya ang masusunod. So, hindi naman ako pwedeng kumontra. Char. And of course, it's Tepanya though. Well, medyo gloomy yung weather today. Hindi siya maaraw. Pero it's okay kasi I think hindi masyadong mainit sa labas if ganyan na cloudy yung ating weather. And super luwag. So happy. Talagang sumasang-ayon sa atin ang tadhana. Kasi ang reservation namin is at 1 PM. So I think we're gonna make it. Love, look here. Love, are you excited?
Yes.
Hey guys, we're almost near. We're here at where are we, love? Trinoma and Vertis North. This time, medyo traffic na siya kasi I knew it's lunch. So, we're gonna just take the valley na lang. So, yun. We're super excited. So many memories here in Vertis North. Kasi before, dyan yung office ko and my husband dati nun, sobrang hirap kasi ayun nga, dalawa na yung work ko, ganyan. And very sweet ng husband ko kasi he looked for a job na malapit sa job dito sa Vertis North para sabay pa rin kaming uuwi. Tapos minsan kapag day off niya, he still drives na papunta dito sa Vertis North para sabay sunduin ako pa uwi. So nice. He's so sweet ng time. So sorry. Na-remember niyo ba guys na he had a minor surgery? Doon ka ba sa part na nasampal? Pero it's a light sampal. Diba love? It's just light. No. It is light. Here we go. This is the right entrance when you go to Tapanya. Kasi dito siya pinakamalapit na parking and pinakamalapit na gate. So, hindi ka mahirapan na pagkatapos mong kumain, you're so busog. Tapos, ang lapit lang ng parking mo. So, maybe, hindi na kami magva-valley. Yay! Magva-valley pa rin ba tayo, love? Yeah, since my husband is lazy. Joke, it's not lazy. It's just, it's his birthday. So, he wants comfort. So, yun. We're gonna, avail the valley. So, where's the valley? Let's see. Oh my gosh, you know what? It's been a long time since nagpunta talaga ako sa SM North kasi kami talaga ni Terence. We just always go to SM near our house but never here. I mean, not never, pero talagang sinasadya lang talaga namin ang specific store kapag pupunta kami sa SM North. So, let's see! Yay! Tapanya, guys! Yay! Sa baba lang siya. Yay! So, it's so near. There you go.
Jet ski.
How are you excited?
Yes, tiger prawns. Tiger prawns.
Yeah, so we're gonna get this. And they also have this, the a la carte that you can order if you want. Tyler, are you excited?
Yes, I am.
It's just like his bagamis masakit, right? So excited! Pause na lang. These are the choices that you have. First order. Ano kasi may mate ka? Tiger Pro. Tiger prawns currently eating by my love. Okay, love, go. How is it?
Pero after na palintas.
Oh my God, it's a baby boy. Come on, sir. Tatasan mo, ma'am. Ready? See you tomorrow, ma'am. More practice.
Siniksik niya talaga.
Iwasan mo naman mo.
Bro.
Tinitibok-tibok pa yan, madam. Heartbeat. Okay, ready? 1, 2.
Yung Brazilian sweet ba yun? Yung kanina. Brazilian tamis. Yeah, na-fruit. Sophia.
Bakit ba kayo? Pinakakatagal ko
What are you saying, love?
This will always be my favorite place to eat.
Yeah, this is his, sabi niya, this is his favorite place na daw to eat. Always. So far, what are your favorites?
Salmon sashimi,
What else?
beef tenderloin, rib eyes.
How about the tiger prawn?
Yes.
Wow. Here in Bapanya, you can stay here at like until 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours. So, actually, ilang minutes pa lang tayo dito. Naka 1 hour na kami. I'm so busog na already. Pero we wanted to try everything para masulit namin yung Emperor.
Where are you going? Pero may steak pa rin. Busog na po siya, mga kaibigan. Busog na itong asawa ko, pero order pa siya nitong chicken something. Dami pa namin chicken. Busog na kami, guys. Busog na na. Dahil pa namin pagkain, tignan nyo. Busog na kami. Pero may pang-cleanse palette na walang umay. Ano sabi mo? Hanggang bukas ko na to.
Kakain. Ang dami ko naman. Oh my God. Pero good thing you have this ice cream.
Thank you.
How was our lunch, love? Woo! Yeah! Love it! It's so good, pero sobrang busog kami, like legit.